This video answers the question, what determines the quality of an identity graph? The quality of an identity graph determines whether a person can be identified and if that identification is correct. The quality typically depends on the stability and uniqueness of identifiers and the accuracy and completeness of links. Even if deterministic matching is used, many quality challenges exist. Let us now look in more detail at the 4 factors that determine the quality of an identity graph. We start with identifier stability. Identifiers that are used in marketing are typically not stable through the lifetime of a person. Names, for example, can change through marriage, or addresses through moving house. An email address might change because a new email provider is used. As a result, identifiers might no longer point to a person, or, even worse, point to the wrong person. Now let us look at the second factor, identifier uniqueness. A unique identifier connects to only one person, and one person has only one identifier of this type. A mobile phone number, for example, is a highly unique identifier, as the phone is most of the time only used by one person, and most persons only have one mobile phone. A fixed telephone, or TV, is typically used by all members of a household, and therefore, most often, not unique. Email addresses are on average less unique than mobile numbers, but more unique than fixed-line numbers, as email addresses are mostly used only by one person, but a single person might have multiple email addresses. Let us turn to link accuracy as the third factor that influences the quality of an identity graph. An accurate link connects an identifier to the right person. Fraud, identity theft or inaccurate matching methods, unstable or not unique identifiers lead to inaccurate links. Finally, let us look at link completeness. The completeness of links determines how many connections are captured in an identity graph. A person, for example, might use 10 devices, but only 2 of them are recognized and captured in the identity graph. The quality of the identity graph determines to which extent marketing and service use cases are supported, and which benefits are achieved by identity resolution.